Hello, happy January. I hope everybody had a fabulous holiday season and they've had a really great start to their new year. I am already over this winter weather, obviously. It's hellish outside where I am. We just had a bunch of snow come down and unfortunately it's probably gonna continue for another couple months, but I'm very much ready for gardening season. A really awesome package from Sproutbox and I'm getting excited, getting ready, starting to plan all of my gardens. And I want to show you what they have. This is a new product that they just came out with. Look how pretty. They have a 6-cell pack and a 4-cell pack. And they come in these really nice colors. The slate gray, the sage, the riverstone, driftwood, and terracotta. My interiors, my walls are green and a lot of my accents are beige, so naturally I went with the driftwood. And look how pretty. The color is like perfect. They're so nice. Very big, very durable. Big hole access from the bottom so you can like push them out. You don't have to worry about damaging your, and there's also like some flexibility here because I feel like I like to kind of squeeze on this to get the whole thing out so you're not breaking the roots. 6-pack. Then they come with some trays. Those are those. Really awesome. Thanks. So my first year starting seeds inside, I think I'm going to start with, I want to do a mix of flowers and veggies for sure. I really want to try sweet pea. I kind of trail up, so I'm going to see if they can go up my Sproutbox arch, because that would be really pretty. I'm gonna get a like indoor mini greenhouse, I think, and I can just put it by this window because that's where I get the best light in here. So let me know, are you starting seeds inside? Do you normally start them? Are you gonna maybe try this year? And are you ordering seeds yet? I think I'm gonna order my seeds sort of this week. Yeah, if you wanna know where I'm ordering mine from, what I'm ordering, I'll do another video and then I'll let you know when I get my greenhouse in here and when I get started and everything. So let me know in the comments what we're growing this year, if you're gonna just buy them, if you're gonna grow them yourself. Let me know what color you like from Sproutbox. I really love this driftwood one, but the sage is really pretty too. I thought with my walls already sage, the driftwood would be nice. I really like the terracotta too, actually. There's a lot of nice colors. So go and check them out. Sproutbox, Canada. Yeah, and let me know what are we growing.